Did you know AI is helping cows become climate heroes? In Ireland, AI powered collars are being used to monitor cows' burps. Yes, you heard it right. Cows produce methane, a potent greenhouse gas, through their burps. These smart collars track methane emissions and help farmers adjust diets to reduce gas output. It's like a Fitbit for cows, but instead of counting steps, it counts burps. This quirky tech is not only amusing, but also a game changer in reducing agricultural emissions. Who knew cow burps could be so fascinating? Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts.